Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。最近有一家新餐厅开幕了，在哪里？
真的吗？
对
，Dinaivi，
that's how you say where, or Dunaivi, that's another way of saying where. 刚刚不是一开头就说嘛，有新餐厅开幕的时候，不管好不好吃，都会先问好在哪里。对，因为可能有优惠啊什么这些。
Okay. 排队。
When there's a new restaurant that opens up around your neighborhood, you're gonna ask, where is it? Where is it? Okay, so let's teach you this scenario right here, asking where is this new restaurant? 公司附近有开一家新餐厅There's a new restaurant near our office.
公司附近又開一間新嘅餐廳呢。公司附近又開一間新嘅餐廳呢。
哇，这里面好多生字可以教哦。餐廳就是餐廳 ，OK, that is a restaurant. 然后新的就是新嘅 ，that's a new thing or a new restaurant. 然后呢，附近 ，OK, that means around this neighborhood, around, nearby, and then 公司，然后直接就要问在哪里 ，Where is it? Dunaivi. We're asking it twice because both mean where. All right, 就在捷運站旁邊好了啦。It's right next to the MRT station.
第捷運站順風。
順風嗎？
不是啦，
對啊，
旁邊
真的嗎？
順風，
我會講，你順風，拜拜。
我又沒有出過。
順風 sounds like something different in Chinese, but it actually means right next to it. 順風 remember that, okay? And then right next to the MRT station. 捷運站哦，還不好念的，但是這是算是新興詞了。
對啊，我們很多人都搭那個大眾運輸。
對，現在都知道叫做捷運站。Okay, great. Now we know. 雖然我們要趕快去約去吃了哈，但我們還是要 rate 幾個生字啦。好，附近 nearby， 附近 and then new restaurant 新餐廳好了。
新嘅餐廳
okay, and then 旁邊 right next to it
順風
and it's all asking about where question mark 在哪裡 Dinaivi 或者是 Dunaivi 我們都知道 Dinaivi 都是 where 在哪裡That does it for another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT
什麼大家
單字say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.